Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our fun mathematics class. I hope you are all feeling fantastic and ready to explore something amazing today. Today, we are going to dive into a very beautiful topic called the magic of geometric transformation. This topic is very important because it connects algebra, geometry, and real life. Let's get started. Okay, before we officially start, let's do a quick warm up activity together. I want all of you to look at your webcam screen or maybe a small mirror in your room. Please try to move closer to the mirror and see what are friends. Does your relation also move closer to you? Now try to raise your right hand. Which hand does your relation raise? Please type your interesting observations in the stat books right now. All right, let's discuss the actual mathematical concept of transformation. In simple terms, geometric transformation is a process that maps points to a new position. The original shape or points is what we call the pre-image or object. And the new shape uh, after the movement is called the image or bayangan. In this meeting, we will focus deeply on two main types, relation and translation. Let's enter our first deep dive topic, reflection, or in Bahasa Indonesia, we call it pencerminan. Reflection means flipping a shape over a specific line, which we'll call the mirror line. There are two golden rules that every student must remember. Rule number one, the distance from the object to the mirror is exactly the same as the distance from the image to the mirror. Rule number two, the size and the shape of the object will never change. It stays identical. To help you calculate easily, let's look at this relation formulas. To help you calculate easily, let's look at this reflection formula. Sheet. If we reflect a point P with coordinate x, y across the x-axis, the coordinate becomes x, minus y. Notice that only the y value changes its sign. But if we reflect in across the y-axis, it becomes minus x, y. Here, only the x value changes. Please memorize these formulas because they are very useful for example. Now, let's move on to our second topic, with translation or pergeseran. Translation is made simple because it simply means sliding an object. We do not rotate the object and we do not then it says. The move depends on a translation vector written as A, B. The value of A controls the horizontal movement. Right if positive and left if negative. The value of B controls the vertical movement, up if positive and down if negative. Okay, you might wonder, why do we learn this? Where do I play transformation? Well, if you like playing games like Mobile Legends, Minecraft, or PUBG, you are singing math. Game developers use translation vectors to update the coordination of the character when you move the joystick. Without transformation, computer graphics and animation should not exist. Let's practice with a step-by-step problem solving example. Suppose we have point E8 coordinates 1, 2. Step 1. Let's read step 1. Let's reflect it across the y-axis. According to our formula, the x value becomes negative. So, the intermediate image prime is minus 1, 2. Step 2. Let's translate a problem by vector 3, minus 2. We just add the numbers. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. And 2 plus minus 2 is 0. The final position, a double prime is 2, 0. It's very logical and systematic, right? Now, it's time for a quick student session to test your understanding. If point K at coordinate 3, 5 is reflected across the x-axis, what is the coordinate of K prime? Please take out your notebook, do the calculation, and write your final answer. I will give you exactly 1 minute starting from now. Down ready. Okay, student, time is up. To sum up our lesson today, we have learned how shape, transform, flip, and slide. You all did a fantastic job as midwives today. Don't forget to practice the questions in your module at home. And thank you so much for your high energy. See you next week and goodbye.